Hey guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here with something new and amazing, and I'm doing a very short video series and tips and hacks on makeup, of minute tips that can change your makeup game, that can make your makeup more easier and convenient for you guys. So this video is basically about how to make your eyelashes look completely curled without any tool, to just curl your eye with using only mascara. And this is this is not waterproof, this is washable mascara from Maybelline, Hyper Curl Easy Wash. This is in the black shade, it is jet black, and this is so easy peasy. This is my 10th bottle, I guess. I use it on daily basis on no makeup looks. This is very convenient and this is easy to remove. It doesn't harm your eyelashes or skin sensitive areas around your eyes, so I don't prefer waterproof unless it is highly needed. So let's begin. And as you can see, my mascara in this eye is already done. So this looks curled, more heavy and completely crisp as compared to this one. I haven't done my mascara over this eye, and this eye is done, if this is visible to you guys. So I'm gonna show the demo for this eye, how I do this. So just take your any mascara you have, even you want waterproof or something like that. Look downwards and try to close your eyes when this mascara brush is under your lashes, like this. Try to push and hug each other, like, you know, pressing your eyes hardly, and then moving the brush upward side, stroke it upward side and pressing your eye down side at the same time. This will make it curly, and without using any tool it will be curled, completely curled. What we are doing here is just pressing our eyes and applying in a circular motion while pressing your eyelids, like pressing your eyelashes towards this brush, like this. Gently, don't harm yourself, but you have to circle it this way and also press your eyelashes towards it. So what will it do? It will curl up your eyelashes while applying it. I hope you're getting it. Do comment down below and let me know if you like it and try it. And also stroke towards outside. When you complete the process, try it after completing the entire mascara thing, then you have to stroke it outside, like this. Pull it and then stroke it outward. So it will give you a fuller lashes plus curled lashes all at once without using any tool, just with your mascara. And I am done here and I'm loving the outcome. This is how I do my mascara on party or glam look basis, not on regular basis, but this is easy. You can do this on regular basis too. This is how I do my eyelashes without using any tool, just by mascara. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed this little hack for your makeup. Do comment down below if you try and love this hack. I will see you in the next video. Love you guys so much. Bye bye.